The Alexa Spot is Amazon's take on designing a smart clock. With the alarm clock styling, the Echo Spot is perfect as a bedside companion, offering all the functionality of an alarm clock, with the added bonus of a fully integrated Alexa intelligent personal assistant. However, because the Echo Spot has a built-in webcam, you might want to think twice before placing an Echo Spot in a bedroom. While Amazon deliberately designed Alexa to only be able to record a few seconds of dialogue, for example keywords such as Alexa and then your command, with the addition of the webcam to both the Echo Spot and Echo Show, we probably should be more concerned about how the webcam will impact our privacy. So in this video, we're going to take a look at a product that you can quickly and easily fit to your Echo Spot that will help ensure that you have video privacy when you want it, but will maintain the aesthetics of the Amazon Echo Spot or Echo Show. This is a webcam cover. We've placed links to this product in the video description. It is basically a small, thin, pill-shaped piece of metal that is backed with a non-permanent self-adhesive. Then on one side of the webcam cover is a slider that will obscure the camera on the Echo Spot. To fit the webcam cover, we're going to use a pair of magnetically tipped tweezers so that we can more easily position the webcam cover over the camera on the Amazon Echo Spot. We now need to remove the covering that protects the adhesive on the back of the webcam cover. So that we can ensure the webcam cover will remain glued over the camera hole on the Echo Spot, we will be fitting the webcam cover as soon as we take the Echo Spot out of its box. You can see the Echo Spot has a protective film covering its face. Once we remove the protective film, we can use the tweezers to position the webcam cover over the Echo Spot's camera. Once we're happy that the webcam cover is in position, we can gently press it into place and then slide the tweezers away from the cover. As we've only lightly placed the webcam cover over the camera, we can use our fingers to make small movements to adjust the webcam cover's position. With the webcam cover now in position, we can close the shutter and press down on the webcam cover to allow the adhesive to better hold the cover in place. The webcam cover will now remain in position. However, as the adhesive is of a low tack, it can be easily lifted and repositioned as needed. To date, we've fitted a number of webcam covers over both computers and iPads. In the 18 months since we fitted them, none of the webcam covers have fallen off. However, you need to ensure that when you apply a webcam cover, you apply it to a clean surface and you do not continually reposition it, as this will adversely affect the adhesive on the back of the covers. So to recap, we recommend that if you purchase an Amazon Echo Spot, you'll at least consider using a post-it note to cover the camera to protect your privacy. However, because a packet of webcam covers is relatively cheap, easy to fit, and looks more aesthetically pleasing than a post-it note, why not try fitting a webcam cover instead?